Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Montego Bay. We are on Howard Cooke Boulevard, and Howard Cooke Boulevard is one of the main roads that take you basically on the outskirts of Montego Bay, so you don't have to really go into the town itself. On the right you can see some construction going on. Now at this intersection, if we turn left, it would take us into the town itself of Montego Bay, or what they refer to as downtown Montego Bay. So if we stay on Howard Cooke Boulevard, it would take us all the way to basically Alice Eldemere Drive, and or to the Fairview Shopping Center. So Montego Bay has like the hip strip where you have a lot of stores that sell souvenirs for tourists. They have a lot of restaurants. Basically that part is set up for tourists. But now Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica. So when you turn left here, it will take you into the town center of Montego Bay, and that's where you're going to find the supermarkets, the banks, the government offices, the police stations, the tax office, those kind of things. Everything you need for a city. So if you want to just drive through Montego Bay, this is the easiest route to go. And then Montego Bay is also famous for the hotels. Now, like in the Rose Hall area, when you're driving into Montego Bay, you have a lot of hotels. And those hotels are some large hotels that have beaches, well laid out. And of course, Montego Bay is also famous for the airport. It has the largest airport in Jamaica and the only airport in the western part of the country. Montego Bay is the capital of St. James, and it's on the western part of the island. Basically, as a city, everything you find in Kingston, which is the capital of Jamaica, you'll find in Montego Bay. We're now on Alice Eldemire Drive, and on the right is the Fairview Shopping Center. And this shopping center on the right, the Fairview Shopping Center, this is the largest shopping center in Jamaica. Not only Montego Bay, but all of Jamaica. And it's also the largest shopping center in the Caribbean. So we'll take a drive through it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.